What's up, guys? How you all doing? Here's my sidekick, Zeze. Zeze, say hi. Yeah, we just received this pack in the mail from Swarovski. Right here. And we're gonna be opening it. What do you think it is, Zeze? What do you think is in the box? What is it? Paw Patrol?
No, Patrol.
Batman?
The Patrol.
Black Panther?
Yeah.
Okay, let's check it out.
Patrol.
What is it?
Patrol.
Black Panther?
No, not Patrol. It is the Paw
Okay, you want to open it?
Yeah.
Open it, pull it. Okay. Go. Okay, I'm going to leave this box here.
Now I'll open it.
Yeah, open it.
What's
Okay.
that?
It's just a tag.
What's that?
Open it.
What's that?
Whoa, whoa.
Oh, whoa.
Oh, whoa.
This is the Patrol now.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. You are right. Yay. Give me 5. You got it right. Oh, very nice. Let's be gentle. It's Black Panther. Look at that. You like Black Panther? Wow, it looks very nice. Who's your favorite?
No, Paw Patrol.
Paw Patrol's your favorite?
Yeah, Patrol, no Paw Patrol.
Oh, Black Panther and Paw Patrol. You want to see? Wow, look at this. That is very nicely built. Look
Yeah.
at this. Gotta be gentle, okay?
Yeah, let's go taco.
Wow, very nice.
Yeah, maybe little not.
It's worth the wait?
Yeah.
Yeah? Give me 5. Good job.